I have spent $0 on marketing.
Good PR, good public relations come down to good stories.
I think PR is really underappreciated in the co-working world. I'm Kat from katjohnson.co. I'm thrilled you're here. We're all thrilled you're here. Some spaces are taking advantage of it and getting a ton of press, really doing some great positioning. A lot of spaces are not at all, because you think, I don't have something newsworthy or things like that. So we're going to dig into that, because there's a ton of richness and stuff to talk about here in terms of positioning your community, your projects, your initiatives, your mission, all kinds of things.
I cannot encourage PR enough. Here's the thing about co-working spaces. Not only can you speak as a small business owner, as an independent owner of an indoor space where people are gathering during a newsworthy topic, but you also have a membership that you can offer up to journalists to become a real source. One, I set up Google alerts for newsworthy items that I know I can speak to or that our members will use. I just look through them, and if I see a newsworthy item that I think I can speak to, I ping the journalist right away and say, hey, you need a source?
Strategic layering. Whenever there's an opportunity for, media exposure, it's bringing in additional organizations. The members of the co-working space doing something not only for their business, but also with a nonprofit or charitable, it gets you more exposure across the different organizations, print and online interviews. I know that that's a really big opportunity right now for print. Publications and stuff, they're really looking for contributors to articles.
But one thing I will say drives my work is a community consciousness, a community sensibility. And as Amanda so eloquently described, she understands the value and the power of stories. My experience is that we have a chance today to be the media, podcasting and streaming media and content and original storytelling. Really opportunistic today is for those of us that are building community to build community through media engagement.
We should all be cranking out content all the time, podcasts, videos, blog posts. We should be a platform for our members, relationships. Always. I don't even write press releases anymore. Getting to know a particular journalist, that means you have to read, watch, and listen. And Amanda, great point with the Google alerts. Go back and refresh those too. When I launched the business, I had a set of Google alerts, and I try to remember to go in every 6 months or so and refresh those and make sure that I'm really staying up to date. Follow them on Twitter, connect with them on LinkedIn, send them a message, like a bunch of their posts on all the channels. Journalists still use Twitter. If you want their attention, follow them on Twitter, retweet them, comment, share, pay attention, create a Twitter list. So we have lists, we mark them as private.
Make sure that the stories and the press information that we want to share with our communities are available right from our own sources.
Thanks again to our guests and our sponsors, and we'll see you next Convo.